Put a lot on there.
I am.
And make it pretty color. Which one was the purple brush? Was that the purple brush?
Yeah, I cleaned it off.
You did?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want me to help too, paint? Or you want to do it all by
I
yourself?
just want to do it by myself.
Okay.
It's okay if or to get both of those, isn't it?
Well, you tell me. Are you done painting all the orange?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, let's use a different brush.
Okay.
Into the next one.
I all
Okay, so you cover up the orange if you're all done with the orange. Cover up the orange can.
Okay.
And kind of push it down a little bit. There you go. Okay, so what are we doing next?
What's that?
I think that's white.
It's white. You open it.
Okay. Why don't you start painting from that side over there?
But then I don't have the screw.
Well, no, what do you mean this? You don't need the screw. You asked me to open it.
But this, you don't need to paint back here.
Oh, no, no, I'll turn the birdhouse around.
Oh, okay. No, I'm going to paint the front and back.
I figured the front is orange. If you mix that, it'll mix the colors together.
Oh, okay.
So don't paint the front.
I'm going to paint the side.
Well, here. If you paint the side, paint from that side, okay? There you go. Come on around. Sit on the paper. A little bit. There you go. I think Opa will really like this birdhouse.
Yeah, because some of the colors are mixed into it.
Are they?
Yeah.
That's kind of fun.
Like orange and white and purple mixed together.
Wow.
How about that?
Well, yeah, put a little bit more on.
So,
Turn on the pan a little bit.
why?
Because it's too hot.
I didn't know that.
It's making all that sound. Well, dinner's almost ready.
Okay.
So. Well, that might be it. I'm going to go check on some food. Yep. Okay, finish that. Finish doing the white and then we'll have dinner, okay?
It's all finished.
What's that?
It's all finished.
Your what? No, what about the other side? I thought you were going to paint the other side white too. It's what?
They're both white.
I thought you made them both white already? Wow, you're fast.
Yeah.
Okay, and you covered up the white lid?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, man. Okay, well.
What was the back going to be?
I think it's, you wanted to make it dark green. Okie dokie.
Okay. What was the back green? And I'm going to do the top now.
The top?
Yeah, top.
Top is yellow.
I know. It's yellow. It'll look like it's sunny outside.
Yeah, that's right.
Much more drier now.
Remember, put it always on the paper. When you open it, that way if it spells, it'll only go on the paper.
No, it opens in a different way. Now I cut it open.
Uh-huh.
Very sticky.
Is it?
Look how much paint it just turned out.
Oh, yeah.
I had a good help from it. Oh, look how painted this.
It's funny.
Now I poured off some paint.
you're not. You have the screwdriver. No, never with the screwdriver. You always gotta be safe with that.
I'm using that.
Well, I want to paint too.
But what? You're painting that side?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Can you paint that? You got yellow. You gonna do the top?
Yeah. Oh, there's a few more brushes.
Yeah. See.
Just tearing this
Oh,
out.
it's a brand new brush. Wow. That's a special one.
And then the nails turn yellow.
That's right. And the splinters will help go away.
And also, the nails will break the splinters.
You think so?
Yeah. Since they're so pointy.
Hmm. Maybe. Wow.
But it looks very bright.
It does. It looks very sunny.
Good. Because
So-
then the birds will sing that.
Maybe.
Why?
Well, maybe the birds would like to come visit the house.
Because it's yellow.
Maybe. That would be nice. Now you can use the other side too. There's still some paint on the other side of the brush. Watch. Just turn it over. That's right. No, turn. There you go. That way you can use all the paint. And generally, if you're doing kind of nice painting, which is what we're doing now, the way you want to kind of do it is you try to do it back and forth like this.
Okay.
All right? Yeah. So always the same way, back and forth. And you don't have to press hard. But look, it's all filling in pretty nicely. Nice job, Aaron.
Good job with this stuff.
Thank you.
It's turning brown.
Oh, the water, yes. Yes, it is. Well, we weren't done painting the yellow, but all right, I guess we are now. Well, you want, okay, so cover that up.
But I thought it was the yellow paint that came out.
Oh, yeah? And you want to open up the green one?
Yeah.
Okay. See, you think you can do it?
Yeah.
Let's see, where's the green one? And always open it on the paper.
I know. Whoa.
Good job! All right.
I opened with one push.
I guess you're stronger than you thought, huh?
One mighty push. That's all. One mighty push.
Uh-huh.
That's all.
You're a mighty kid.
like Maggie so young.
Mm-hmm. That was a nice movie.
Yeah. But scary towards the
You're right.
starting part.
Well, did you watch it with somebody during the scary parts?
Yeah. I watched it with Lydia, but when I watched it by myself, it didn't scare me.
Because you already saw it with Lydia?
Yeah, because it didn't scare me because the scary part didn't scare me.
Okay.
And that's good.
That is good. That is good. We make a good team, dude. Wow! Okay, you gotta fill in all the rest of... No, not yet. Are there any parts that are not green? Aaron, no, around here. You see that? If you see any brown parts, see if you can color those in. What do you think? Oh, can you get that bottom corner? Not bad, dude. Not bad at all.